Video, we want to find the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of cotangent x times x squared plus 32. Let's first rewrite cotangent as just cosine over sine, and we're going to use the product and quotient rule of the limit. So we're going to break this up into three separate limits. The first one being cosine, the second one being x squared plus 32, and on the bottom we're going to have sine. So cosine, the limit as x approaches 0 is just going to go to 1. For x squared plus 32, that goes to positive 32. So for those, we just substituted x equals 0. And the denominator, this one's a little tricky. We know that sine of x, as x approaches 0, will go to 0. But when we're approaching it from the right of 0, sine is going to be coming in from the positive direction. So it's going to go to 0, but from the positive direction. So we basically have 1 times 32 on the top, which is just 32, over a really small positive number. That's just going to go towards positive infinity. And so that's going to be our limit.